What if I told you some of the most terrifying sounds ever recorded don't come from horror movies? They come from real animals. Sounds so disturbing, people have called 911 thinking someone was screaming, crying, or even dying. But when help arrived, there was no human, just an animal. And trust me, the last sound on this list doesn't just scare you, it makes your brain hear things that aren't even there. Number 10. Temminck's tragopan. Deep inside Asian forests, there's a bird that looks calm, almost too beautiful to be real. But the moment it makes a sound, it doesn't sound like a bird. It sounds like a human gasping for help. Hunters have heard this at night and stopped in their tracks, thinking someone was injured nearby. Some even followed the sound, but when they reached there, no one was there, just silence. And then, from behind them, that same choking sound again. And the creepiest part, it feels like the sound is following you, because that cry for help isn't human at all. It's the haunting call of the Temminck's tragopan. Number 9. Steller sea lion. Massive, powerful, intelligent. Now imagine standing near the ocean at night and suddenly hearing a deep, distorted scream. It sounds human, but something feels off. Fishermen have turned back, thinking someone was drowning in the dark, but when they looked around, there was no one, just the ocean, and that same echoing scream again, closer this time. Because it's not a person, it's a Steller sea lion, and its voice can travel for miles, making it feel like it's coming from everywhere. Number 8. Alligator. You already know alligators are dangerous, but what most people don't know is what they sound like. During mating season, they don't just growl, they release a deep, vibrating roar. So powerful, it literally makes the water shake. People nearby have described it as something rising from beneath the earth. And the worst part, you hear it first, long before you see anything. Number 7. Koala. Yeah, this one surprises everyone. Cute, slow, harmless, right? Wrong. At night, male koalas make a sound that feels completely unnatural. A deep, aggressive, guttural roar, like something way bigger hiding in the dark. Tourists in Australia have panicked, thinking a large predator was nearby, but when they looked around, there was nothing there, just the trees, and that same terrifying sound again, because it wasn't a predator at all, it was just a koala. Number 6. Harpy eagle. One of the most powerful birds on Earth. Silent hunter, massive claws, but its sound? It doesn't match its appearance at all. It lets out a high-pitched, almost human-like cry, echoing through the dense forest. Some people say it sounds like a child calling out, lost, alone, deep in the jungle. And the creepiest part? You never see it, only hear it, watching from above. If this already gave you chills, just wait till you hear the next one. It gets way worse. Stay till the end, because the final sound has made people run without even looking back.
Number 5. Desert rain frog. This tiny frog looks completely harmless, but when it feels threatened, it doesn't croak. It screams, a high-pitched, panicked sound like a squeaky toy, but alive. And the weirdest part, it sounds emotional, like it's actually scared. And once you hear it, you can't unhear it. Because the next one, it sounds even more human and way more disturbing.
Number 4, foxes don't bark like dogs.
They scream, loud, sharp, piercing screams. People living near forests have called emergency services, thinking someone, usually a woman, was being attacked. But when authorities arrived, no one was there, just a fox, standing in the darkness. If that sounded disturbing, you're not ready for what's coming next. Stay till the end, because the final sound feels almost inhuman.
Number 3, cassowary, one of the most dangerous birds in the world. Huge, fast, silent, but its sound? A deep booming vibration, like a distant drum or something, slowly getting closer. And what makes it worse? You don't always hear it clearly. You feel it. Low frequency sounds moving through your body. If that made you uncomfortable, the next one gets even more disturbing. Stay till the end, because number 1 doesn't just sound scary, it feels wrong. Number 2, Indri lemur. From the forests of Madagascar, this primate produces one of the strangest sounds ever recorded, a long, echoing call. That sounds like a haunting chant, like voices calling out across the forest. It doesn't feel like an animal at all. It feels organized, almost intentional. If this gave you chills, the next one is on a completely different level. Stay till the end, because number 1 has made people panic instantly. And once you hear it, your brain doesn't forget it, even in complete silence. Number 1, Shoebill stork. This is where things get disturbing. The shoebill doesn't sing, it doesn't scream, it makes a sound, like a machine gun. Rapid, loud, bone-rattling clattering. Now imagine hearing that in a silent swamp with no idea where it's coming from. People have described it as something not meant to exist. And once you hear it, you don't forget it. So next time you hear something strange at night, before you panic, ask yourself, is it really a human or something else pretending to sound like one? If you want more real sounds that don't feel real, hit subscribe and tell me which one messed with your brain the most. Comment right now. I read every reply.